as the Kroger building in 1941, Robert Hudman placed his offices at River level of the building to prove to other businesses that it was safe to have their business on the Riverwalk without fear of flooding, and he was right. Robert Hudman was very instrumental in the development of the Riverwalk, and without him, we would not have it today. There's actually a bust of Robert Hudman over here on my right-hand side that has a little more historical information about him, if you're interested. I also fairly recently found out that cities all over the world are opening up their own Riverwalks and copying San Antonio's. This is pretty cool. I'm very proud, super honored that we started a trend. Took almost 80 years to catch on, but
can you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like it?
Over on my right-hand side, we have Casa Rio. Casa Rio is the oldest restaurant on the Riverwalk. We started opened up in 1946 and started off a little shack over there next to the Market Street Bridge. And it's grown and expanded over the years. This whole building here is Casa Rio. Casa Rio is family owned and operated since the day they opened in 1946, which is almost unheard of here in San Antonio. So they must be doing something right. I do know that they do have pretty good food, so that's probably the something right. Just a little traffic stop, guys. We're not allowed to play bumper post, unfortunately. I know it sounds like a lot of fun, but... Yes, Casa Rio. All right, as we make this turn here, if you look up to my left, you'll see this white sculpture at street level with the scaffolding on it. It's supposed to be enchilada red, but they're repainting it right now. That's the Torch of Friendship. The Torch of Friendship was given to us by Mexico in 2002 to commemorate the friendship between the U.S., Mexico, and Canada. Done by Mexican artist Sebastian.
Downtown.
Alright, this next part of the river we just entered into is the man-made river extension of the river, one of two parts of the river that is man-made. It was built in 1968 for the World's Fair to help carry fairgoers back and forth between the fairgrounds and their hotel. This part of the river is only about 34 feet deep and has a bottom. And it's a little dark right now, but I don't know if you guys have noticed the different designs of all our boats. The overall theme for our design is Cabello Picado, which is a Mexican art with paper. The design of the boat that you're on right now is our missions design. This one passing us right now is our sun design. We also have a dove design, our military design, and my favorite, the tricentennial design, which was done to commemorate our San Antonio's 300th birthday, which we celebrated last year. And our boats come in 5 different colors. If you look ahead of us, just to my left, you'll see the Marriott River Center. The Marriott River Center was built in 1988 and sits on the previous site of the Fairmont Hotel. The Fairmont Hotel was built in 1906 and was designated as a historic landmark, so they could not tear it down. Instead, they moved it to the corner of South Alamo and Nueva Street. This took about 6 days and it made it into the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest building moved through city streets on pneumatic tires. Coming up on my right-hand side is the Tower of America. The Tower of Americas was built in 1968 as a theme for the World's Fair. At the time, at 750 feet high, it was the tallest freestanding observation deck in the United States. It lost that title, though, in 1996 when they opened up the Stratosphere in Las Vegas. There's 952 stairs inside the Tower of Americas. It takes about 15 minutes to climb, and our record stands at 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Not sure if that person made it back down. But if you're not interested in taking the stairs, you can always take the elevator. Nobody will think any less of you. Also, the restaurant and observation deck makes one full rotation every hour, so you can go have dinner at the Tower of Americas and get a full 360-degree view of San Antonio while you eat. This next part of the river we're entering into is the mall extension of the river. It wasn't built until 1988, a full 20 years after the rest of the river extension. I'll explain to you why here in just a moment. But if you look over here underneath the Commerce Street Bridge, you'll see that we have another loading location. This is our River Center location. We have a retail shop here where you can purchase tickets as well as gifts, snacks, drinks to go, and margaritas to go. I used to work in the retail shop before I became a boat captain, and we had to taste test those margaritas before we opened up the shop, and those things were pretty good. I don't even like margaritas, and those things were pretty amazing. So if you're over in this area and want to try a margarita out, you can. We also have ices for those that don't like to drink, or for the kids that can't drink. we're now entering into the Shops at River Center. The Shops at River Center was built in 1988 and is the reason why they built this portion of the river. Shops at River Center is the second largest mall here in San Antonio. It's 1 million square feet, 68,000 square feet of glass, over 100 retailers, 6 restaurants on the Riverwalk as well as a food court inside, and 2 movie theaters, the AMC and the IMAX. The IMAX currently holds the record for longest featured film. Alamo, The Price of Freedom, has been featured at the IMAX for over 30 years. So if you grew up in Texas in the last 30 years and ever did a field trip to San Antonio while you were in school, you've probably seen Alamo, The Price of Freedom. I saw it when I was 9. When I was a kid, if you came to visit San Antonio, it was mandatory to go see the movie.
Please
It's
enjoy
actually
my
a really
video.
good movie. It's very historically accurate, and I highly recommend to go check